And let me start by asking, what does deploying digital security technologies in national exams tell us about integrity and trust in the education system? It means that they're really determined to make sure that there is accountability and transparency. And they say that smart padlocks securing largest national exam, and the Kenya National Examination Council has introduced smart padlocks to secure 250 of the 642 containers storing examination materials that is across the country. And under the pilot initiative, the digital padlocks are linked to the KNEC command center, allowing real-time tracking of when each container is opened and locked. This is something that is really interesting. If the trial is successful, the smart padlocks will be used in all containers to complement the current double lock system. Each container has 2 padlocks with the 2 keys held by the sub-county director of the education and the deputy county commissioner. And you know, for that is 2025, we have that is about 3,424,836 learners are registered for the national assessment, that is for the KCSE in Kenya. And then when it comes to the KCSE, we have about 996,078 candidates will be doing that is the exams. And you know, the potential impact of this is that use of technology may reduce exam leaks, impersonation, and malpractice when it comes to exam, and also to make sure that a credible exam support is fair and opportunities for each and every learner. Alafu bado ina boost that is public confidence when it comes to this education system. Let's head over that is to page 4 and 5 and see more details when it comes to that. And we are on page 4, and this is what they say that KNEC tests smart locks to curb that is exam leakages, something that I had mentioned that is on the highlight in Yetun Mesoma. And at a glance, I can see here they have highlighted that inside Quest to secure examination materials. The pilot project is covering that is 250 of the country's 642 storage containers that links each padlock to KNEC command center, allowing real-time monitoring of when the containers are opened or closed. The system immediately alerts officials of any unauthorized access, enhancing that is transparency, accountability. Each container remains under 24-hour armed guard, with physical access controlled jointly by education and security officers. In addition to that, they say on each examination day, armed officers accompanied by center managers will be collecting the exams and return the papers to the containers. Center managers must handle all the materials directly to supervisors in the examination centers. Examination papers should never be kept in the center managers. These are some of the roles that some of the rules that will be applied when it comes to issuance of papers, returning the papers to the sub-counties. And yeah, I hope this will work, because it sounds like a good thing that is when it comes to use. And it also shows that at least there is that thing that we call innovation and use of technology, which is a good thing.